Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to make papaya facial at home itself, and I will tell you what are the benefits of papaya which will help to our skin. As you all know guys, papaya is a tropical fruit which is full of vitamin C and vitamin A as well as fiber and healthy plant compounds which will contains an enzyme called papain. Regularly using papaya for your skin will be deep cleansed. It will reduce the wrinkles, it brighten your skin and it treats the pimples and acne also. Guys, let's start how to make the facial by using papaya. So for this papaya I am going to make a paste and then we'll start. So my first step is cleansing. For cleansing, here I have taken papaya pulp 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of milk. Mix all these both the ingredients thoroughly. See guys, our cleanser is ready. As I have told you, what is the benefit of cleansing? If you are doing cleansing your face regularly, it will remove the dirt from your skin and it allowing the sebum oil to reach the skin, and it will cleanse the clear pores of debris also. So cleansing is first and important thing in facial. Consistency guys, you just need to dab with your fingers on your face and massage it for 1 or 2 minutes and then wash it off. Step is scrubbing. For scrubbing, here I have taken rice flour. Rice flour is having lot of benefits which protect our skin from sunburn. It is called as a natural sunscreen also. Short, it will works as a good anti-aging. It absorbs excess oil, it lightens your skin, it repairs skin, it makes skin soft and supple. So here I have taken 1 teaspoon of rice flour and our main ingredient is papaya pulp. So here I am going to take 1 teaspoon of papaya pulp. I am going to mix both these ingredients. If you require some more papaya pulp, you can add, no matter. But the scrub should be little bit thick. I am adding here half more spoon. See the consistency guys. It should be like this little bit in a thicky form. Okay. So you have to scrub this on your face and don't forget to apply on your neck especially. Scrubbing on your face, all your blackheads, whiteheads, dirt, everything will be removed with this scrub. Move on to our third step, which is massage. For massage, here I am going to take honey. Here I am taking 1 teaspoon of honey. Here I have taken Dabur honey. You can take any of the honey. I have told you in my previous videos also, honey is having antibacterial and antiseptic properties which will get rid of dirt and bacteria and perfect for both preventing our skin. It gives glowing also. Main thing is it will moisture our skin. Now I am going to add in it our main ingredient, papaya pulp. One teaspoon. Mix both the ingredients well. If you are having aloe vera, that will be better. As of now I don't have aloe vera, so I have skipped aloe vera here. If you are having, please add it. You all know guys, aloe vera is having lot of benefit for skin and hair. So see, my massage cream is ready. See the consistency. See, it's not thick, it's not watery. Okay, so guys, what is the benefit of massaging on your skin? It helps to promote healthy skin and gives relaxing to your muscles. It has a relaxing and rejuvenating effect, help you look and feel better. The benefits of massaging is it will remove anti-aging and wrinkles, sinus pressure, and it gives you glowing skin blood flow, facial rejuvenation, managing scar tissues also. So there are a lot of benefits of massaging, so don't miss it guys. Kindly do the massage for minimum 3 minutes. In salon and all they are doing 5 to 10 minutes, but we can do it at home. At least 3 minutes is must. Don't forget to massage from downward to upward direction. You should not do always from up to down, you have to do it from down to up. Okay, one more main thing I want to tell, don't wash your face after massaging, let it be as it is. You just need to clean it with a towel, that's it. And then try to do it steam after scrubbing. Steam will remove all the dirt guys. After steaming you can see how your face will glow. So at last we came to the last step. So our last step is face pack. For face pack, here I am using hibiscus powder. I am using here Alps Goodness hibiscus powder. As you all know guys, hibiscus, it does not only does this help with the age spots, this hibiscus benefits can encourage an all-round fresher, younger and smooth looking complexion also. It will change your complexion also. It is having natural acid present in hibiscus, helps to purify your skin by breaking down the dead skin and increasing cell turnover. They can even helps to control acne breakout also. The name of hibiscus is young plant. By using this young plant product, we also will be looks young. It's having lot of benefits. Try to use hibiscus powder only. If you are not able to get this thing from market, you can take hibiscus flowers and keep it for dry, and then you can make powder of it. That will gives you more and more benefit. I believe in that more than this. So here I am going to take going to add my main ingredient which is papaya pulp. Here I am not going to add more ingredients guys. Short and simple, which is more effective. So mix all this thing. See guys, our face pack or face mask is ready to apply on your face. Try to apply this thing on your face and leave it for minimum 20 minutes, and while you are removing, just rub and remove it, but gently rub guys, don't rub it harshly, it will hurt your skin. So hope you like my video. Try to do this facial monthly twice. You can see the changes in your skin by yourself itself. I can't tell you, I have tried this and I got lot of benefits from these things. So that only I am using only natural ingredients. Try to go with natural. Try to avoid chemical ingredients. I hope you like my video. Thank you. Bye bye. Kindly like and share guys. Bye bye.